Alright people, what's up? Welcome back again to another video. Welcome back again, ladies and gentlemen. And yes, I am back as well. Yes. Today we're doing the DBMS question set 8. Yeah, it's gonna be different than before. Trust me, it is. Don't worry about it. Anyways, without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so here we are at the question set 8. As you can see, so the description here says, to facilitate the business of Max Mobile, the owner of the mobile company uses a computer software, which uses the following table to store the data in that computer software. Answer the questions asked in this table. Right, so here we got the two tables right here, the customer table right here, as you can see. Then there's the product table, as you can see, everything right here. Right, so now that we've seen everything around here, let's go to the first question. Alright, so here we got the first question right here. Create a database named mshop to save data in the phone shop. Right, so this one is pretty easy. We go over here, we click here. There we go, and now we type in the name. We all know how these are made. Of course, now that we're done here, we click add diagram. And boom, first question done. Now let's Right, so the next question here, it says create a table as customer and product in the database. Follow the instructions below. Right, so you have to make these two in the database. Right, let's go. Here's our first table. Pretty sure the first one is customer, I think. Yep, that's the one. Just the customer ID, first name, last name, gender, and the contact number. Same as usual, yeah. Customer. First name is customer ID. Oh, made a mistake there. Go. And I'm pretty sure this was watch at 10 a second, believe. Yeah, it's watch at 10. Yeah. This is watch at 10. Watch 10. We'll make this our primary key. Was it auto incremented? No, it was not. Right, so the next one is, I'm pretty sure, is the first name. Y'all know that. There we go, and the second one's gonna be the last name. We'll make this null, not null. Last name. There we go, we'll also make this not null. Next one's gonna be gender. Gender is probably watch at 10, we'll make that. There we go, we'll make this not null. And of course the last one is just the contact number. There we go. This one is also watch at 10. And not null. And boom, we got the customer table. Now let's make the product table. Alright, come on. It's not that hard. There we go. Product. Sure, the first column is supposed to be product ID. Product ID, brand name, model name, and then the price. Product ID. We'll make this our primary key. I think this is watch at 10. We'll make this our primary key. I'm pretty sure the next one was supposed to be the brand name and then the model name. Brand name. Then the model name. There we go. And of course, I think the final one was just the price, I think. Let me check. Yeah, price, and the data type is double. Let's go. Price. And data type was double. Go, we'll make this also not null. And there we go! Second question done. We made both tables. Now, before we go to the third question, let's forward engineer this thing. Alright, so now it's time for the forward engineering. If we go over here, forward engineer. Now we give it our password. Go. Next. Of course, this part is also next. Next again. Next. And forward engineer finished successfully. There we go. Alright, so let's go to our Heidi. Alright, so let's go to our Heidi and check our table. Right, so the next question here says, add data graphically to the tables you have created. Right, so we're supposed to be adding the data to the customer table and the product table, so let's go up here. Here's the customer table. First, let's add the first customer here. It's the customer table. Hang on. Customer first. Well, messed it up. There we go. First customer ID was cus001. First name was Tilina Economical Male. Tilina. Next one was Economica. He was a male. And his contact number was 0715. And the rest of it was 00456. And there we go. We did the first row of the customer table. Now let's go to the product table and finish it up. Of course, the product ID was Pro001. The brand name was Huawei Wi-Fi. Huawei. The model was the Wi-Fi. Oh, that's up. There we go, and the price was. I'll just copy and paste it. And price was 25,000. Right, so we added the first rows of both the tables right here. So I'm just gonna skip to the part where we added everything, and so I'll see you guys there. Alright, so here we are in the customer table. We filled up everything right here. We put all the data we needed. Same can be said about the product table. Of course, we put everything here, as you can see. We got all the brand names, model names, everything. We put everything here. So now that we're done here, let's go to Alright, so here we are at the next question. Here it says, find all customers. Now, of course, this one is quite easy. We go over here. So we pretty much have to find all the customers from the customer table. So all we have to do is come here and type select all from, now we write the table, customer. Nope. This, the gravy ass sent. And now we run this. Boom! We have everything. There we go. Now that we're done with that question, let's go to the next one. Alright, so of course, now that we're done with that, here's got the fifth question right here. Find all details of all products. Of course, that's also easy. We go over here. Now we replace the customer with the product. Okay? We write product. Now we execute this. And boom! We got all the details of the products. And now that we're done there, let's go to Alright, so here we are at the final question. Find the details of the customer whose customer ID is CUS003. Right, so this one is actually a bit different than the next one. So here we type in customer, and then we put in a condition, which of course is the customer ID. This is equal to the CUS003. Right, we'll now execute this. And boom! We got all the details we needed. We have all the details of this customer right here from this query that we just typed in. So now that we're done with all the questions. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, that's all we have for today. So yeah, that's all the questions we have for today in the question set 8. Yeah, so that's all we have for now. And of course, hope you guys found this helpful or entertaining at least. You know, if you guys ever get any of those questions like that, you can answer on your own or watch this video and remember it. You know, hope you guys found this helpful and entertaining. So yeah, that's all for now. See you guys in the next one. Peace.